Hello students, we are going to take a look at the verb. The verb is a word that either defines a state or an action, a state being a situation and an action being a physical activity. There are 5 classifications of the verb. The first is state verbs and action verbs. The second is helping verbs and main verbs. The third is modal verbs. The fourth is regular and irregular verbs, and the fifth is transitive and intransitive verbs. Let's have a look at them. Now, the state verbs include words like be, have, think, like, and owe. And action verbs involve words like running, playing, cooking, laughing, any of that, which involves the physical nature of the person. Coming to the second classification, it is main verbs and auxiliary verbs. Main verbs are either the state or the action verbs, and the auxiliary verbs are called the helping verbs. There are 3 kinds of helping verbs: be, do, and have. Each of these have 3 forms: the base form, the negative form, and the question form. Coming to the third classification, it is the modal verbs. They express the feeling of the speaker. So when a speaker uses either of the modal verbs in one sentence, it usually refers to his prediction, his feeling, or his intuition about something. The modal verbs are can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, must, should, okay. And then you come to the fourth classification of the verb, regular and irregular verbs. We may often find verbs which change their forms according to the tenses. Verbs which remain unchanged in the base form are called regular verbs, and those which can undergo change are classified as irregular verbs. For example, a word like cook. The present tense of the verb will be cooks. The past tense of the verb will be cooked. Past participle will remain cooked, and the ing form will be cooking. So the base form of the verb remains unchanged. Hence, cook as a verb is classified as a regular verb. However, if you look at a word like go, the present tense will be go or goes, the past tense will be went, and the past participle will be gone, and the ing form will be going. Since it undergoes changes in the base form, it can be classified as an irregular verb. Coming to the transitive and intransitive verb, a verb that takes an object which answers to the question of who or what is generally classified as a transitive verb, and a verb that does not need any object. For example, words like laugh, cry, live, die, all of those kinds of verbs are classified as intransitive objects. Thank you.